Hello traders and welcome to VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Thursday, October 11th, 2018. Some volatile times that we are trading in. That's why we're here though. What? We are going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements, show you what you need to pay attention to. Okay, if you are looking for something that's short in this market, this is not a bad place to jump in. We have Mosaic here showing bearish qualities. We had the bearish crossover happen on the 9th. Actually the 8th into the 9th. We have the predictive range for today lower than yesterday's actual high and low, and we also went to from green to the red on the 8th with the neural index. All those things are pointing down. So if you are a stock trader, that's no problem. Looking to sell the stock maybe up even as high as 33.75 or something like that, no problem. If you want to be more aggressive, sell it a little bit cheaper. But if you're going to play it with options, what we want to do is we want to figure out first what we want to target, which is if you use a standard deviation to figure out what is a reasonable move to the downside, you're going to be looking at a strike of $30.50. So if you consider the 30.5, 32 put spread expiring November 2nd, you can buy that for somewhere between 30 and 35 cents. If you buy it for 35 cents, then you will get 3.29 to 1. Let's do a little bit of review on what we did earlier in the week. You may recall that we were looking at this weakness seen in Broadcom. Obviously, the chart has continued to look bearish. We originally on the 9th, we sold the Broadcom October 12th weekly expiration 247 half call spread. We took in $1, and the very next day we could not resist taking the spread off. We paid 45 cents for it. Of course, it probably would have, it's basically worth zero. But we are in the business of being prudent with our risk and not trying to be too greedy with it. So that's what we are looking at. A little bit of a recap from the week. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.